Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to add link to TikTok bio. So to add links to your TikTok bio, you want to go to your TikTok right here and then go to your profile. So all you want to do is edit your profile right here and then scroll down. Once you've scrolled down, you will see your business information if you have a business account. So this is the best way to get all your information out in your TikTok bio. So switch into a business account basically, and you'll unlock this business information if you want to. So you can also add the link itself here, but it's very limited to characters. So here, you want to go to website and then add the URL basically right here. Maybe a link tree link will work so that you'll be able to access a lot of other actual links within that link tree bio right there. So that's what other people do, and that's what I would do basically if I were to add a link to my TikTok bio right here. So that's all you have to do basically to add a link to your TikTok bio. Just use Linktree and then go switch to a business account and then business information. You'll unlock that, and website, you'll be able to unlock that. That's going to show up right here just below this email that I have right here. So there you go, guys. And that's how you add a link to your TikTok bio.